They have arrived. I was so excited to see the guy come in with these boxes in hand. They say if it didn't have the tape on it, I don't know if we would have realized exactly what these were. So I grabbed Corey right before he went to lunch. We're going to unbox these YouTube style and see how they look.
Let's tear them open.
All right. The Nike Air Zoom Pulse. I'm surprised we even got 2 pairs, quite honestly. They were so hard to get. Ridiculously hard to get. What size you got there?
I've got women's 9 or men's 7.5.
I got a women's 7.5, men's 6.
Okay.
We didn't even know what sizes we were getting, quite honestly.
Yep.
It was so crazy. So, all right. Oh, I got the pink ones.
Me too.
Yeah, okay. All right. They're lighter than I thought they would be. I thought they would be
Interesting texture.
This might be some of the padding in there too. Right up front here, they talked about how this was, waterproof all the way up. I think the whole thing
Easy to clean. Yep.
I think the whole thing is waterproof, quite honestly. Like they talked about waterproof toe, and you can definitely tell there's a difference here than there is right with this, whatever this is right here.
Right.
I have a feeling this is waterproof as well. This will be easier to clean though.
The heel grip. See that?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look, it pulls, look at this, it pulls it forward. It grips your foot so tight. I love the little Nike logo on the side here with the little medical logo there.
Yep.
Oh, and there's one on the front there too.
Good grip on the sole.
Yeah, so that was another thing that traction on wet surfaces was one of the things that they said, and I'm sure they're not just talking about water there. That's
right.
Yeah, exactly. Synthetic upper. Okay, so that's the synthetic part right here, right there. Full rubber sole.
Feels like the sole and arch support are great in these.
Yeah.
If I had to guess, without wearing it.
Oh, good Lord, yeah.
You know what I mean?
I don't know if you can see down inside of there or not, but that's a pretty ridiculous arch in there.
Yep.
Like you can feel it. And you can even feel it. Look, you can feel it on the outside. So the arch comes all the way up to the side of the shoe right there.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah, that's wow. I'll be honest, like I was kind of skeptical at first, thinking, okay, this might be a gimmick or whatever. Like this, okay, we haven't targeted nurses or healthcare professionals yet, so let's try to do a shoe for them or whatever. No, I think this is a shoe that you could wear on the floor all the time that would not wear out.
I can't wait for somebody to try them.
I think this is 100% legit.
Yeah, for
like
sure.
It was. This is for real. So 2 more pairs coming. We will announce the winners coming up in the next couple of days.
Yeah.
Next couple of days, we'll announce the winners on these. Winners are all based on the sizes we get. That's why we haven't announced any winners yet.
Correct.
But based on the sizes that we get, we will announce the winners of these 4 pairs. We'll be in touch with you. I want to hear how these perform actually on the unit.
Yep.
Like wear them for a week, 2 weeks, come back to us and let us know. Even if it's a video, you write a blog, whatever. I want to know how they perform on the unit.
For sure.
So, all right. These are super cool.
Yeah, they are.
All right.